Good afternoon once again. This is Henry. Today I want to brief you on inspirational word about human nature. Anyone who never made a mistake have never tried to do something new. Because the secret of creativity is knowing how to hide your sources. Dignity does not consist of possessing them, but also deserving them. All men by nature desire knowledge. They desire wisdom. They desire understanding. Because he who is to be a good ruler must first be ruled. A good habit formed at youth make all the differences. Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning. Never hate anyone, because later in the day you will need that person to help you in something. You need someone by your side who will advise you, who will help you to move to the next level. No matter how difficult it is to acknowledge or appreciate the little that the person is doing for you, try to understand the ability of that person. Because in this life, you are the only one who can use your ability. Be appreciative to everything that they have done for you. Thank you. Please, you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more inspirational and motivational speak word. Thank you once again. You are welcome.